In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset the keyboard settings to default in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and here you have to click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Time and Language. And here you'll find the option Language and Region. So in order for us to reset our keyboard settings to default, we have to add another language, okay? So from here, I have already added the English Philippines. So if you want to add a language, simply click from here and then simply search for any other English, like English Australia, English United Kingdom. Okay, so there are a lot from here that you can choose from, and just click on the next button or any other language that you understand, okay? So since I've already added it from here, click on the three dots and select move up. Okay, and that will be, okay, Windows display language from here. So we have to restart our Windows once, okay? So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. After restarting, then we need to reset the keyboard settings back to default, which is English. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and then type settings. Okay. Again, you have to click on time and language, and here click on language and region. Language and region, we need to go back to English United States. So we just need to click on these three dots, select move up, and that's it. So don't forget to hit and like and subscribe to our channel so that we can produce more videos like this. For the second method, make a right click at the start button, select device manager. Okay, here you have to locate keyboards and then simply make a right click on your keyboard driver, select uninstall device, click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that will be reinstalled into your Windows. Okay, so that's it. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.